What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix keyboard not working on Windows 11. We will discuss the methods you have to use to fix keyboard not working on Windows 11. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Before I'll start showing you the method how to fix the keyboard on Windows 11, we have to open on-screen keyboard. For to open the on-screen keyboard, click on Windows icon, click on settings. Here click on accessibility, scroll it down. You'll see keyboard, click on it. Scroll it down. You have to turn on this option to get the on-screen keyboard. As my keyboard is already working fine, so I'm not gonna use on-screen keyboard. I want to make this video for you to understand, that's why I'm just gonna use the quick and easy way by using my own keyboard. Alright, so now let's talk about the method. Method 1, restore point. Here you have to restore your Windows 11 PC to the backdate when it was working perfectly fine. So what do you have to do? Click on start. Type RSTRUI. You'll see this RSTRUI. Click on open. Here you simply have to click on next and it will show you an option. You have to select the restore point when your PC was working perfectly fine. Once you'll have the screen of restore point, you simply have to click on show more restore point to see all of the restore point listed in there. Whenever we update our Windows 11 PC, that time our PC create a automatic restore point, or when we install any application on our PC or uninstall any application, that time our PC usually create a restore point automatically. So if your Windows 11 PC has created any restore point when your PC was working perfectly fine, you simply have to select that restore point and click next. And you'll see one more option on your screen to check the affected program. It shows like a scan for affected program. Make sure you click on that and you check the changes gonna made after restoring your PC to the backdate. After selecting it, you simply have to click on next and restore your PC to the backdate. Method 2, troubleshoot. Click on start icon, click on settings. Scroll it down, you'll see troubleshoot in here, click on it. Click on other troubleshooters. In here you'll see a keyboard, as you can see here. Click on run and run the troubleshoot. As I do not have any problem with my keyboard, that's why no changes or update were necessary. Method 3, device manager. Here you can open the device manager by doing a simple click on start and click on device manager, or either you can click on it and type in here device manager and you'll see device manager up here with this screen. You have to find keyboard in here, do a double click on keyboard and you'll see standard PS2 keyboard. Select your driver and do a right click and select update driver. Here you get two options, search automatically for driver or browse my computer for driver. You have to select this option. If this option works, then it's good. If not, you have to select this option. Let's click on search automatically. It's gonna take some time to install a latest keyboard driver on your PC. If it helps you to install a new driver, then your problem is fixed. If not, select this option, search for updated driver on Windows Update. If that works for you, then fine. If not, then select browse my computer for driver. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers and select your driver and click next and OK. And it's gonna show you an option to restart your PC. Simply restart your PC. Method 4, start key. Here you have to open a registry. So click on start, type in here registry and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Here you have to make sure you create a backup first. So you have to click on File and click on Export. Select your desktop and type in here Backup and save it. It's gonna take some time, so that's why I am not selecting that option for now. Once your PC create a backup of Registry editor, you have to come to this folder. You have to click on H key local machine, then click on System, search for current control set folder, and afterward in current control set folder you have to search for services, and then you have to find i8042prt. Once you'll have i8042 folder, then in here you have to click on this key, do a double click and change the value to 1. That's all you have to do in the Registry editor. Method 5. Command prompt. If none of the method work for you, then you can use this method to fix your problem. Click on Start, type cmd, click on Run as Administrator, click Yes. Here you have to type commands. The first command is sfc/scan =c:\window/system32 /ieframe.dll. All of the commands are mentioned in the description. There are the 4 commands you have to use. After running these 4 commands, you simply have to restart your PC. Make sure you run all of the command one by one. The first command which I just explained, after typing that in, you have to press enter. Then there is another command to verify the file. You have to type that in and press enter. And there is another command assoc. After typing that, press enter and run the sfc command. After that, simply restart your PC, and that's all you have to do. And afterward, I'm pretty sure your problem related to keyboard on Windows 11 gonna be fixed. If not, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll definitely try our best to bring out the solution which can help you to fix your problem. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.